welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the newest work from home jobs that are hiring right now. So let's get right into it. The first company we're looking at is Conduent, and they're hiring for a child support call center agent. This job is located in the United States. It's customer service in nature, it's full-time, and it is remote. So let's scroll down. The child support call center agent, the location is remote. The rate of pay is $16.50 for non-bilingual. After training, the rate increases to $17 an hour. If you're bilingual, it starts at $17.50 and increases to $18 after training. A typing survey will be assessed. So if you want to practice your typing, go online. They have free websites to see how, you can see how fast you type. The schedule is as follows. Training is 7 weeks and hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. After 4 weeks of training, the working hours are Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., 4 to 10-hour days. So this is a 4-day work week. Now, working for you. You will enjoy a positive, employee-friendly culture while playing an important role in supporting our clients. Again, $16.50 if you're non-bilingual, $17.50 if you're fluent in another language, more specifically Spanish. The pay is bi-weekly. There are no weekends. You get paid training. They will teach you skills needed to be successful in this position. It's a full-time schedule. Career growth opportunities are available. Full benefit options. A full benefits package, including perk spot. So you'll be able to thrive personally and professionally. Now about the role. The customer care associate will handle inquiries for the New Jersey Department of Human Services Office of Child Support and the services it provides via inbound calls. While speaking with the customer on the phone, CSRs will address and research customer inquiries and provide appropriate, accurate information. So you will be inbound. The agent is responsible for responding to telephone inquiries and concerns, using approved procedures and guidelines while ensuring the quality and integrity of the call. You will answer questions on various issues such as child support payments history and account histories, reset personal identification numbers or people's PINs who get locked out of their accounts. You'll gather information, research, and resolve inquiries and appropriately document customer calls. You have the ability to read and interpret documents on file. You understand and retain a large amount of information. Associates should have skills to answer and respond professionally to escalate calls should they arise, communicate appropriate options for resolution promptly, review the customer needs and inform customers of services and resources available to them. The requirements: a high school diploma or GED, background and drug screen, so you must pass those. 2 years of high volume call center or customer service experience. They seem to be flexible. Computer system experience with data entry, database documentation knowledge. Your typing must be 30 words per minute. You must be able to use 2 screens because they are required. You have to have your own equipment. While we provide technical requirements and equipment at a later date, it's essential for you to have your own equipment ready. The preparation ensures you're fully equipped to participate effectively. Here are the requirements for the equipment. They are currently not considering candidates in the following states. And again, this is remote and this is Conduent. The second position we're looking at is with Conduent as well, and they are hiring for a remote customer care associate. This is a Medicaid call center. This job is available throughout the U.S. Here, let me click here and show you. See those 2 locations? Okay, so you can live anywhere. Let's scroll down. Oh, this job is full-time regular. The position is remote. The hourly rate is $16.75. The hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. If you're interested in supporting Medicaid providers in Montana, Conduit has immediate openings for call center customer service representatives. This is a great opportunity to learn Medicaid provider support in the medical eligibility claims process. Now, the summary. You'll be using computerized system, responds to Montana Medicaid provider inquiries in a call center environment using standard scripts and procedures, gathers information, assesses caller needs, research and resolves inquiries and documents calls, provides clear and concise information regarding provider claim status, eligibility, and provider enrollment status, follows documented policies and procedures, including call handling and escalations. Overall, acts as an advocate for the Medicaid provider to ensure their needs are met. What you get: full-time employment with benefits, standard schedule, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday, substantial call center and customer service training, so that's paid training, a great work environment with career growth. Additional duties as assigned: verify documentation and images, attend scheduled staff meetings, complete required assigned training, track daily tasks for quality review. Requested skills: positive and energetic attitude, ability to communicate clearly and confidently, ability to multitask and management time effectively, attention to detail, grammar, and spelling accuracy. Preferred experience: 1 year of medical insurance or medical office experience. Preferred, not required. Computer system experience with data entry and database documentation knowledge. Call center or professional office experience. Should have extensive experience working with Medicaid programs, policy, and eligibility. Again, this is preferred. Should be able to work between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. Hours and additional information: limited physical requirements, typical office environment, phone and keyboard periods. Must be 18 years of age and have a high school diploma or GED, and you must pass a pre-employment screening. This is a great opportunity to learn and be a part of a growing medical support team. I agree. The pay is probably not the best, but if you can get this experience for your resume, it may lead to bigger positions in other corporations. Conduent offers benefits and advancement opportunities. So that's always a plus as well. And again, it's $16.75 an hour. Um, let's see the benefits. Health insurance, voluntary dental, vision programs, life and disability insurance, a retirement savings plan, paid holidays, paid time off, or vacation and or sick time. So it's a good entry level position, or it's a great position for someone who's unemployed and struggling. Um, Again, it's a great stepping stone position. And again, this is conduit.